Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make a fresh backup so you can restore chats later. Once done, confirm whether you'll convert the same phone number or register a dedicated business number, because that choice affects verification. Make sure you've installed WhatsApp Business and have your Google or Apple account ready for the backup restore. Start the app and accept permissions. This allows media and contacts to import smoothly. You are setting the stage, so the main migration runs without data loss. Now verify your phone number. You'll receive an SMS or call code, so enter it promptly. After verification, the app detects a cloud backup and prompts you to restore. Allow the restore and do not interrupt the process, because incomplete restoration loses recent messages. Once restored, you'll configure your business profile. Add a clear business name, select a category, set hours, and upload a logo. These steps enable customers to recognize you and improve message automation later. Finish by enabling business tools. Activate quick replies, greeting and away messages so you can respond faster. Then create labels for contacts and add catalog items or services. Test everything by sending a message from another phone to confirm delivery and profile visibility. If something goes wrong, for example, restore fails, don't panic. Rerun a fresh backup on the original WhatsApp, confirm you're signed into the same cloud account, ensure stable Wi-Fi, and retry the restore. That usually resolves most migration hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.